a maid down in the South Sea Isle. Her hair is brown and eyes roll round, and she'll greet you with a smile. And when she says Balula, they do the hula, that's the only place for me. How happy I will be, 'cause I've got a gal named Philippa. She's the queen of the South Sea Isle. She's the kind that sets you wild. She's always wears a smile. I keep an eye on Philippa, for sometimes she likes to flirt, especially when she wears a native skirt, and all the boys follow her around. Oh, when she stops to wiggle, they start to giggle. She'll put you in a trance with a South Sea dance. 'Cause I've got a gal named Philippa. She's the queen of the South Sea Isle. A gal named Philippa. She's the queen of the South Sea Isle. She's the kind that sets you wild. She's always wears a smile. I keep an eye on Philippa, for sometimes she likes to flirt, especially when she wears a native skirt, and all the boys follow her around. When she stops to wiggle, they stop to giggle. She'll put you in a trance with the South Sea, 'cause I've got